Alright, I've got a Toro Z Master 6000 series. This has got your suspension seat, 60-inch deck, and this thing is built to mow and cut some heavy grass, that's for sure. It's got your small increment adjustments here, so you can fine-tune it for each yard or for your own yard. It's got the big back wheels with the heavy-duty drives. I'll show you here size comparison of that caster to my foot. If you know anything about these Toros, this is a big daddy. This thing is very well taken care of, very clean. Does have a little split right here, which this is not a gas can or a gas tank, so it doesn't really affect anything. Your gas tank is under your seat on this model, and it's got the big 26.5 horsepower Kohler Command Pro. That is a EFI motor, and your battery mounts here instead of under the seat. So then you've got your separate drive and pump system in here, and your big gas tank that rides right underneath. This does have a small oil leak. I was told that it's a very slow leak, but if you look down in there, well, you notice it's not red right there. That's because it's oil. Just wanted to make sure you knew. This thing still runs great. Nothing abnormal at all. No smoke, no vibrations. Just really a great unit. Let's start her up and show you how she runs. Idle's really smooth, no smoke at all. I'll rev it up for you. E-brake, forward, reverse, left, right, blades. Deck is nice and smooth, no rattling, nothing going on down there. Got a little bit of tall grass left right here. I'll hit, hopefully we can see it. Your deck height adjustment right here. You push in, release this pin, and then it drops the deck down. I might have it a little bit low, but it'll be all right. This thing is a fast mower too, and it's actually idled down a little bit right now. As you can see, cuts real nice. Sorry, I almost dropped the phone. I'll show you how its ground speed is. Very fast mower and very comfortable with this nice seat. I'll idle it back down for you. Great unit.